Hey everyone, Tyler Jones here with your weekly commentary. Another week, another set of market highs. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq just posted their second consecutive week of fresh highs. Meanwhile, the Dow is just under its high from earlier in this year. So what's driving all this optimism? Basically, trade deals. Now, the US announced new trade agreements with Japan, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Plus, we just got news of a deal with the EU over the weekend. But here's where things get a little bit interesting. Business activity picked up in July, and that's great news. But the thing is, the majority of this growth came from the services sector and not manufacturing. So think of this as our economy really running on 6 cylinders instead of all 8. Meanwhile, the housing market is still struggling with high mortgage rates, and don't expect those to come down anytime soon. The Fed is not budging on rates despite all the pressure from the White House. And of course, the Fed is meeting this week, and they are not expected to cut any rates. Bottom line, markets are celebrating trade progress, but the underlying economic picture, it's a little bit mixed. So as always, we're watching developments very closely to see what they mean for your overall portfolio and, of course, your retirement. Well, that's it for this week's update. For a more detailed write-up, be sure to click the link in the description below. Hope you are all doing well, and as always, God bless.